What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Market Strip Down Saturday. Let's go for a ride.
Coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again, State your name, been dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to episode 33 of Market Strip Down Saturday. Like always, we're going to get started with gold on the 4-hour time frame. We have three possibilities as to what can happen this coming week. I'm expecting us to get stuck in between this range for a little bit, probably for the first, I'd say at least until like Tuesday morning, so like London session Tuesday. So I'm expecting some consolidation around here. The new weekly candle, which opens at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for me, I'm expecting it to eventually retrace. I would obviously love it to retrace up to the 1534.7, but there's a possibility it could even get rejected at the 1532.8 and or the 1528 even. But essentially, ideally, I'd like it to pull up to the 1534.7, pull down to the 1507.8, use this previous week's low as a resistance now. So use the support from this previous week as a resistance now, and then get rejected there and continue its way down to 1480.37. The other two setups that could happen is we could bounce from here, break back above the 1517 pretty much, so 1517, break back above that price handle and head bullish from there. It's probably the least likely setup. We could also come down to the 1507 and instead of having a bounce and using this as a resistance, just blow through it, or blow through it, come back, use this trend line as a resistance, and then continue down from there. But let's head over to USDJPY now. USDJPY, I'm expecting a retracement down to the 105.65 where they push up to the 106.86. Ideally, a nice setup would be a retracement down to the 106.70, so about 15 pips down, and then a push up from there to the 107.57. We could also, on this initial push up from the 105.65, have a break above this trend line that I have drawn here and just continue straight up to the 107.57 with small pullbacks in between. The third setup that could possibly happen is a rejection at the 106.85, which is the trend line, and then a continuation back down to where we started the week off around the 105.71. Let's head over to EURUSD now. EURUSD, I have the scroll on the side of my chart a little bit squished so that way we can see the full analysis on the 4-hour, because it was drawn on the daily and weekly for the support and resistance areas. A few things that can happen here. Retracement up to the 1.1030 and a push down to the 108.27. A break above the 110.31, sorry, and a push up to the 110.92 with a rejection and a push down to the support. Or if we get up here, we could also just shoot right past it up to the 112.52 price handle as the analysis for EURUSD. Let's head over to GBPJPY now. GBPJPY, zoom in a little bit here. 4-hour time frame, I'm expecting a push down. We could have a stop point just past it, so down to 128.77, but if we don't come back above this trend line, then this setup is invalid altogether. Ideally, the best setup would be to get rejected at this trend line, which is around the 128.95, 129 price handle, or yeah, 129, sorry. And I'm not really looking for a breakthrough anything just yet because this is about 100 pips, but ideally, we would like it to pull up to this trend line break above it. Trace back down, use it as a support, shoot a few wicks to the low there, and then a continuation up to the 130.71 price handle. Last but not least, let's head over to US dollar index. US dollar index, I'm expecting a push down below the 98.65 price handle, down to the 98.50 with a retracement back up to the 98.65 as a resistance. Now, what you can see from over here on the left-hand side is a pretty strong resistance point. So as long as we come back below it, I would like this to be used as a resistance now, and eventually end the week off somewhere around the 98.17. I definitely think we could shoot a little further. I think the way the market's been moving, we could potentially head down as far as a 97, we'll say 97.90.
I hope you guys enjoyed another episode of Market Strip Down Saturday. Like always, smash that subscribe button, hit the like, share it with your friends and family. Peace!
All right.